Hello guys and welcome, and right now I'm playing with Mimi and I'm going to show you guys something cool about Mimi, alright? Well, as you can see, whenever I play, whenever he's catching a mouse, he likes to catch out of skies. Well, right now he's quite tired. I mean, as you can see, I've played with him for like 3 hours, but now he doesn't want to. I don't know why. Let me just hide from him. Alright. Oh, that's nice. Hey, come here. Sarmin. Sarmin. Try to catch this, man. Oh, nice. Damn,
Wow.
I think he's gonna be a really good player soon. Let's look.
Wow.
Let me do it again. Come here. Do it again. Come here. Come. Do it again. I'm just being so confused right now. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. He did catch it. Wow, that's nice, I mean. Okay. Catch. Wow. Good. Catch again. Merman. Catch again. Can you catch it? Hey. Oh. Come on. Hook. What are you doing? Don't need to see your relaxation right now, Merman. Come, catch again. Merman. Merman? I don't need to hide from him. Okay, nice. Sorry, Merman. I just hit in your face. Oh, come on, man. What's your energy? Why are you so tired? I better play with you, although. Come on. Okay? Oh. You catch it. Come. Catch it. You mean? Can you catch it, you mean? What? Mary. Whoa. Mary. Come on. Again. Mary. Are you tired?